Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss the topic word processor. This video is basically for class 9 and 10th student. So here we go. Word processor. What is a word processor? A word processor is an application software that allows you to create a document, edit a document, save a document or print a document. But before starting this topic, first we should know that what is a software. Word processor is an application software. But what is a software? Software is collection of interrelated program that performs a specific task. So software is a collection of interrelated program that performs a specific task. But what do you mean by program? A program is a set of logical instructions given to a computer in a particular order to perform a specific task. So set of logical instruction is called program. Set of logical instruction is called program, and a collection of program, collection of many program, collection of interrelated program is called software. So why we write program? We write program to develop a software. But why we need software? Why we need software? Why we need software? We need software because it makes our work easier. It reduces our effort. It saves time and it changes our lifestyle. It changes our lifestyle. Now come to the types of software. There are mainly two types of software. There are mainly two types of software: application software and system software. An application software performs one specific type of task. For example, MS Word. It is used to create a document and edit a document. Example, MS Paint. It is used for painting. So an application software is those software that perform one specific type of task. And this software is designed for the user. It works for the user. It fulfills the daily needs of the user, daily requirements of the user. So this is the application software. Example is MS Word, MS Excel, MS Paint, Photoshop, Skype, etc. etc. Now, what is a system software? System software performs the internal operation of the computer system. As name suggests, system software, it controls the entire system of the computer. System software helps the user, hardware and application program to interact and function together. Example of system software is operating system, device driver and language processor. An example of application software is, you can say MS Excel, MS Word, Skype, MS Paint, Photoshop, etc. So, application software work for the user and system software work for the computer. And the one very important point is that without application software, your computer can work, but without system software, your computer will not work. Now, come to our topic, word processor. Hope so you have understood what is a word processor. So, word processor is a software, but which type of software? A word processor is an application software. A word processor is an application software that allows you to create a document, edit a document, save a document, or print a document. A word processor is an application software that allows you to create a document, edit a document, save a document or print a document. Example of word processor is MS Word, Writer, Abbey Word, Google Docs, etc. So these are the example of word processor. So now come to the next topic, features of word processor. So the number one feature is fast. You can type fast as much as you want in word processor. Next feature is editing. Editing refers to copying of text, moving of text, deletion of text, formatting of text, etc. etc. So after creating your document, you can edit your document also. So this feature is provided by word processor. Next feature is formatting. So basically formatting refers to the changing the appearance of the text. You can make your text bold, italic, underline, even you can increase the size of the text, decrease the size of the text, you can change the font style of the text and font color of the text. These everything comes under formatting. And formatting is the part of editing. Editing includes copying of text, moving of text, deletion of text and formatting of text. But formatting is the part of editing. Okay. Now move to the next features. Next feature is graphics. Word processor support graphics. It also supports graphics. You can draw any types of figure or you can insert shapes in your word processor. Next feature is permanent storage. So after creating your document, you can save your document also. You can save your document permanently for future retrieval and use. Feature is OLE. OLE stands for Object Linking and Embedding. It means you can insert the object which is created by any another application into your current document. This is the meaning of OLE. Next feature is mail merge. Mail merge. So these features of word processor allows you to create multiple copies of same documents and which can be sent to the different recipients or different addresses. That is the mail merge. Next one is spell check. A spell check features of word processor allows to check the spelling. If you have made any type of grammatically mistake or even if you have written incorrect word, then that can be rectified or corrected by the use of a spell check feature of word processor, right? Next one is the autocorrect. It automatically correct your common errors, right? Next is header and footer. Header and footer feature of word processor allows you to write the heading at the top of the document, and footer allows you to write the comments or remarks, or you can insert page number to your document. So header is basically used to give the heading to the document, and footer is basically used to write the comments, remarks, or you can even insert page number to your document. So this is the use of header and footer. So this is the features of word processor. Number one is fast. Next is editing, formatting, graphics, permanent storage, OLE, mail merge, spell check, autocorrect, and header and footer. Now moving to the next topic, application area of word processor. Number one is book. You can use word processor to write a book. Next is letter. A word processor can be used for writing the letter or creating the letter also. Next is memo. It is used for generating memo for the employees. Next one is resume. You can create resume also by the use of word processor, by the help of word processor. And the next is document. You can create your document also. As we have earlier studied, word processor is used to create a document. So by the use of word processor, you can create document. That's all for this video. Bye bye. Take care.